In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a PayPal button to your Wix website. All you need to do is go to the editor. So you want to click on go to editor and then click on switch to the editor. So don't use the Wix ADI, but actually go to the real Wix editor. Now once you're there, we'll just wait for that to load. It shouldn't take too long. Now once you're here, all you need to do is find the plus icon, which stands for the add button. So click on add. Right here you can find more, which is almost at the bottom. Click on it, and then right here you can scroll down as well and you'll find PayPal buttons. So you have pay buttons and also PayPal buttons. Now you can click on one of these, so PayPal buy or PayPal donate. Just click on it and then you can add it onto your website. Let's say that I want to add this right there. You then place it right there. You click on add PayPal info and you can then add your PayPal email address, and you can do donating and selling as well. So if you just want to give people the opportunity to donate, you'll click on donating right there, or if you're selling stuff, you click on selling. Now you can then add the product's name, the price and all of that as well. But that's how you can add a PayPal payment button on your Wix website. If the video helped you out, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.